Hey guys, welcome back to the QST YouTube channel. Today we will be recording the 3.1 quiz for algebra. Let's go. Which of the following is the root of the equation 2x plus 1 squared is equal to 121? Okay, so to solve this question, let me just write the equation. 2x plus 1 squared is equal to 121. The root of 120, like first of all, to solve it we need to root both sides, here and here. Okay, root 121 has two options, 11 and negative 11, right? Okay, so we're gonna have to write two different equations for each possibility, the for the possibilities. 2x plus 1 is equal to 11, and 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 11. After you find this, by doing this you get x is equal to 5, and by doing this you get x is equal to negative 6. Number 2. Determine the steps that would be used when solving 3x squared plus 8x minus 3. Okay, so let me just write the equation. ليه شو بدك؟ No. لك ما بقدر اعمل pause. Okay, so let me just write the equation again, sorry. 3x squared plus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. First thing, we're gonna have to take this negative 3 to the other side, so we get 3x squared plus 8x is equal to 3, and then we're gonna have to factor it by a factor of 3, so 3 times x squared plus 8 over 3 x is equal to 3. Okay, and then next thing we're gonna do, we are going to divide the coefficient of x by 2, and then putting it here, so okay, 3x squared minus 8 over 3x plus, okay, and then after we divide by 2 we're gonna have to square it, plus I don't have enough space, so I'm gonna have to write it on a new page. So as we said, 3x squared plus 8 over 3 x is equal to 3. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the coefficient of x, okay, and then first of all we're gonna have to divide it by 2, then square it. Like after we divide by 2 we're gonna have to square it and then put it here, and then okay, and then let's Let's go. 3 x squared. Wait, let me get more space. 3 x squared plus 16 over 9x. Is it plus? No, it's minus, sorry. Minus, then this is minus. Oh my god, I forgot to put the 8 over 3x. Sorry guys. Okay, let me erase this and this. So we go from 3x squared minus 8 over 3x is equal to 3 to 3x squared minus 8 over 3x. And then you add, like, how can I say, 16 over 9 on both sides. Over 9. Okay, and then we're gonna do 3, which is the number here, times the fraction which we just got, so is equal to 3 plus 16 over 3. And then after you add, you get that this is 25 over 3, and then it is just after you multiply, after you factor, you get that this is equal to 3 x squared minus 4 over 3, the whole thing squared. My bad, this is not squared. Okay, then this is squared. Okay, let me just erase all of this, and then all of the equations or steps I showed below are part of the options. Number 3. Which of the following is true about the equation x squared plus 100 is equal to 1? So to solve this, you're gonna have to take 100 to the other side, and you get x squared is equal to negative 99. And we know that, like, we cannot radical a negative number which is why it has no real roots. Number 4. Which of the following steps can be used to solve 2x squared minus 7x plus 3? Okay, let's start. So 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Okay, so first of all, as we said, we take 3 to the other side. We get that 2x squared minus 7x is equal to negative 3. And then we have to factor by the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So 2x squared minus 7 over 2x is equal to negative 3. And then we're gonna have to, as I said, take this fraction divide by 2 and then square that number. So 2x squared, I'm gonna do the dividing by 2 and then like put it in parentheses squared, so 7 over 4 squared equals to negative 3. Oh wait, forgot to mention to put this minus 7 over 2x plus 7 over 4 squared is equal to negative 3. And then we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna square it and then add the add the fraction and then multiply it by the coefficient of the whole equation to the other side. So we're gonna have 2x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 49 over 16 is equal to negative 3 plus 49 over 8, and then at the end you're gonna have to factor all of this, and then we just like, and then we'll have to simplify this. So at the end you are gonna get 2x minus 7 over 4 squared is equal to 25 over 8. Okay, so now number 5. For this one we can simply just take whatever is in the parentheses and take it equal to 0. So 3x minus 21 equal to 0, and 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then here we'll get 7, then here we'll get negative 8. Number 6. Consider the equation 2x squared plus 12x minus 54. For this question we can simply use our calculator, press mod 5 3, okay, and then after you use mod 5 3, just put in the numbers in this order, like a, which is 2, b, which is 12, and c, which is negative 54. 2, 12, and negative 54. You get that the answers are 3 and negative 9. 8, 7. Okay, the only root of this equation is, okay, so 9x squared plus 1 is equal to 1, right? Okay, so 9, we have to take 1 to the other side and we get that 9x squared is equal to 0. Now look, if we divide 0 by 9, we get that x is equal to 0 and there is no other solution. Look, or actually there's a simpler way. When you get that like 9x squared, 2x squared, 4x squared, 100x squared is equal to 0, x will always be 0. Okay. Number 8. For what value of x is x squared is equal to 144? This question is really simple. All we're gonna have to do is square root here, and we get that x is equal to 12 and x is equal to negative 12. Right? Okay. Here they say if more than one value exists, take the smaller value. The smaller value here is negative 12, which is why we put it. Number 9. For what value of x is 4x squared plus 13 is equal to 49? So first we're gonna have to take 13 to the other side. So 4x squared is equal to 36. Then we're gonna divide by 4 and get x squared is equal to 9. Right? Okay. The square root of 9 has two values. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 3. X equal to 3 and x equal to negative 3. Again, here they're saying they want the smaller value, which is why we chose negative 3. Number 10. The root of the equation 2x minus 15 is equal to 9. Oh, okay. First of all, let me write the equation. 2x minus 15 squared is equal to 9. Okay. First of all, we're gonna have, as we know, like if we square root, there are two solutions. So 2x minus 15 is equal to 3, and 2x minus 15 is equal to negative 3. Over here, after we simplify, we get that x is equal to 9, and then over here we get that x is equal to 6. Question 11. The equation x squared minus 8x minus 33 is equal to x minus 4 squared is equal to what? Okay, so first of all, take wait, give me a minute, guys. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to we are going to figure out like how are we going to get x squared minus 8x from what rooted equation. So we're gonna get wait, my bad. So first of all, we need okay, so that's it. Sorry guys, my headset disconnected. So first of all, we have the equation here, then we're gonna like do what we did a few questions ago. we're gonna have to divide 8 by 2, so x squared minus 8x plus 16, which is by doing what's it called, by doing 8 over 2 and then square the answer of that, which will give us 16, and then you minus 33 because it's here, and then you minus 16 because remember, like last question, when we used to have 16 on the 0 side, okay, we just took 16 to the same side and we just kept it like this. So we know that this whole thing is x minus 4 squared, and then we simplify to get x minus 4 squared minus 49. Okay, part B. 1 root of the equation 8x squared minus 8x minus 33 is x is equal to negative 3. The other root is, for this one there is like only one, there are 2 ways, but I'm just gonna use the simple way by using a mod 5 3 on the calculator. Mod 5 3. Then you put a as 1, b as negative 8, and c as negative 33, and we get that the roots are 11 and negative 3. Number 12. The roots of 8x minus 8 times x plus 14 are, okay, so as I said before, we're just gonna take whatever is in the parentheses and make them equal to 0. So x minus 8 equal to 0 and x plus 14 equal to 0. We get here that x is equal to 8, and then here is x is equal to negative 14. Number 13. 1 root of x plus 2 squared is equal to 100 is x minus x is equal to negative 12. Okay, so to solve this question, let me write the equation. X plus 2 squared is equal to 100. So to solve this, we're gonna have to like isolate the x, right? Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to square root everything, and we have 2 options. X plus 2 equal to 10, and x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to negative 10. Here we get that x is equal to negative 12, then here we get that x is equal to 8. Okay, number 14. The equation x squared minus 8x minus 33 is equal to 0 is equivalent to, so we're gonna do what we did before. So we have the equation here, and then we're gonna, as we said, divide 8 by 2 and then square root it. 8x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 33, which is what we have here, and then we minus 16 because, as we said like last time, it's the same thing, like, how can I say, since the coefficient is 1 here, okay, like of the whole equation is 1, not 0, 1, okay, so the 16 we get here will be the same 16 we get there but with different signs. So we know that this whole thing is x minus 4 squared is minus 49, and then we have here what we did before. And then again, like last time, it's the exact same question but I'm gonna repeat it anyways. We're gonna go do mode 5 3, and then 1 for A, negative 8 for B, and negative 33 for C, 11 and negative 3. For the final question, so x squared minus 6x plus 40. Then again we're gonna have to divide this by 2 and then square it. So x squared minus 6x plus 9, all of this in parentheses, and then as we said last time, since the coefficient is 1, we just take this number and multiply it by negative 1 and take it to the other side, plus 40, and then for the rest we just and then this whole thing is x minus 3 squared, so x minus 3 squared, and then we're gonna simplify it and get that it's x minus 3 squared plus 31. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We wish you guys the best of luck in your final exam, and goodbye.